Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Betterment ESG portfolios. Betterment ESG portfolios offers investment portfolios aligned with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. It's designed for investors who want to align their investments with their values while aiming for financial growth. Key features include automated investing, portfolio diversification across various ESG-focused funds, and tax loss harvesting. Their website provides details on their various portfolio options and fees. Betterment emphasizes ease of use and transparency. They advertise no hidden fees, though specific fees are detailed on their site. The platform uses a robo-advisor approach, meaning it automates the investment process based on your risk tolerance and goals. Availability is nationwide for US residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Betterment ESG portfolios. Getting started was incredibly easy. I created an account in about 5 minutes, answering a few questions about my investment goals and risk tolerance. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found navigating the dashboard and accessing my portfolio performance straightforward. I particularly appreciated the detailed reporting on the ESG factors considered in my portfolio's construction. It allowed me to understand precisely where my money was being invested and the impact it was having. The platform performed flawlessly, updating my portfolio values in real time. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 days via email. Their response was clear and helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to adjust my investment allocation as my risk tolerance changed. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though the web interface is responsive and works well on my phone. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Betterment ESG portfolios. It's a convenient and transparent way to invest responsibly. That's my overview of Betterment ESG portfolios. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.